Meaning of golfer.
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 Golfer. A golfer is a person who plays the sport of golf. In this sport, players use a set of clubs to hit a ball into a series of holes on a course. The goal is to complete the course with as few strokes as possible. Golfers must have good physical and mental skills, including hand-eye coordination, strength, and concentration. The game has a rich history, and many professional golfers compete in tournaments around the world. Some of the most famous golfers include Tiger Woods, Jack Nicklaus, and Arnold Palmer. Overall, golfing remains a popular hobby and competitive sport enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels.